Sorry?
Yes, recording is not started.
Yeah. I just now remembered. Okay, no problem here. Okay, I'll do that later. You can able to see my screen, guys. I'll take it as yes then. And now let me show you this first. Why it is disconnecting again and again? Hmm. See, in VI editor, what is the first step? It is kind of a text editor in your Windows. That is your notepad, similar to notepad. Here you will do all the operations with the help of icons and save buttons, all these things, right? But in Linux operating system, you don't have that option of using these icons and all. So what we have something called as an VI editor. In VI editor, first you should write VI file1.txt or any name. Okay. Now, once after this, a window will pop up. Once the window pop-ups, what you should do, you should click on I. That is insertion mode. It allows you to enter some text into your file, just similar to your notepad. Once that is done, what you should do, sir, you should click on escape first to come out of the insertion mode. Then you should click on colon q and exclamatory symbol. What it will do, it will exit or it will come out of that screen without saving. And what WQ will do, it will save and exit from the screen. And one more thing, guys, if the file is already existed, then it will make use of it. If the file doesn't exist, then it will create a new one. I hope you guys are clear. If the file is already existed, then it will just use it. If the file doesn't exist, then it will create a new one. Clear? Let us see this now.
Sachin, if the file already has some content, then
No, it will not overwrite. You can add new things, whatever you require. That will show. See, sir, today. Okay. Hello.
yes, Sachin, sure.
Yeah. Okay. First, VI. I'll write it as any files in my folder. Some files. Okay. VI. I'll write it as file1.txt. Okay. Just click on enter. See, you are here now. What is the next thing you should do, sir? You should click on I. If you observe at the bottom here, when I click on I, see, it comes into insertion mode. Can you all see this, guys? I think yes.
Yeah, Sachin.
And now you can add any content to this. Welcome to class, India, something. I'll write whatever the things that we require. Some Karnataka, something I can enter. Now I'm done with adding the content to my file. Now what should I do? First thing, I should click on escape. See, if you look here, the moment I click on escape, what happens? It comes out of the insertion mode. Then what should I do? Please observe at bottom of this file. Okay. Once now we are into exit mode, just write down colon q and exclamatory symbol. If I just click on enter, see what happens. Now there is no file named with file1.txt because we used colon Q. What it will do, it will come out of the VA editor without saving it. That is what it is doing, right? Now, if I wanted to save the file, first, what should I do? First, I should click on I, insertion mode. Then I should enter some content to it. Welcome to India. Okay. Once that is done, once you are done with your content, then click on escape. Next, you should colon W, Q and exclamatory symbol. Now click on enter. See, now the same file has been created here. What it is doing, it is saving the content and it is coming out of the VI editor. Clear? Any doubt? And if you look cat file1.txt, the same thing is available. Okay. Somebody just asked what happens if the file already exists, right? Vi file1.txt. Just click on enter. As I already told you, if the file doesn't exist, then it will create a new file. If the file already exists, then it will make use of that existing file. That is what it will do. See? Now again same. Just click on enter. Write down any content you need. Some random content I'm adding. I'm done with adding the content. Just click on escape, colon, W, Q, and exclamatory symbol. Then hit enter. Done. Now let us check whether the content is added. See, it is being added. Guys, clear? These are the basics of VA editor. Everybody clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubts, guys?
No.
No.
Okay. Let us move forward.
Sir,
Now, yes, please.
we have actually touch syntax code do same thing now, sir. For
Yes,
VI.
yes. See, I'll show you. See here. Touch also will do the same thing, correct? Let me clear this. Touch file2.txt. Okay. But what it is doing, ls, it is creating a file without a content. It is an empty file, correct? There is no content in file2.txt. See, there is no content in file2. But here it is kind of a your notepad, vi file2.txt. Same to the same file, I can add the content. Click on enter, write something, exit, wq, colon. See, the same file, if I just cat it, file2.txt, see, got it? With the help of touch, you are creating a empty file. And once you are created, either you can use VA editor to add some content to it, or as you already know, you can use cat greater than symbol file2.txt and add some content to it. Now I'm just adding. If you wanted to come out, just click on Control D, and that is done. Now let's say cat file2.txt. See, the same content is added. Clear, Satish? Who asked this
Yes,
question?
sir.
Satish says, yeah, okay. Now let us move to some options here. Just open. See, this is my notepad. Just close. This is my notepad. Now, if I wanted to copy the text in my notepad, what you will do? I'll just say Control C or right click and copy. If you wanted to paste it, just come here and you will paste it, correct? This is what you will do. Here in my VA editor, how will you do it? Anybody know, sir? Okay, how to do it here? See, we have already file1.txt, right? Vi file1.txt. Just hit enter, then click on I. See, the moment you click on I, it gets into insertion mode. Now, I wanted to copy welcome to India for 5 lines. How to do this? Just click on copy. See here, if you do it like this, just copy, everything works here. There is another way in command line mode. See, if it is working fine, mostly in organization it will work. If it is not working, just select it, copy and paste. It will work. If this is not working, what you should do is first click on escape. Okay. Once you click on escape, next thing is just come to any line. Now I wanted to copy, let's say this line. Okay. I'll come to this line. Then what is the next step? Just double click on, uh, just click 2 times Y. Okay. Once that is done, just come anywhere you want, then click on P. Just P, just like that. Clear? Let me explain. I'll show you. Wait. Just give me a second. What is happening? Okay. See, I hope everybody is clear with these basics. How to open a file, how to write some content into it. Everything is clear, I guess.
Yes.
Now, the next part is how to copy and paste inside your VA editor. Either you can use your mouse to copy. If that doesn't works, what is the next step? First, go to any of the line. Let's say I'm having ABC, BCA and some lines here. Now I wanted to copy BCA. Go to starting position. This is my starting position. Come here. Once you are here, just double click Y. Just what I can say. I think you can able to understand this. Double click Y. Okay. Once that is done, come anywhere you want and just click on P. Okay. Then your content is copied to in all these lines, whichever wherever you are pasting it. Fine. See, Y is nothing but yonking. Yonking is nothing but copying. Same copying or anking, yonking, both are same in your Linux. Clear? P is nothing but paste. Again, let us do it again. See, first you should click on escape, Y, just come down, P. I'm just doing it. First, before this, you should click on escape. That is the only requisite. First, click on escape, then copy the content. For copying the content, you know shortcut Y. Then just for pasting the content, you have a shortcut P. Clear? Guys, any doubt?
No.
Hello, Sachin.
Yeah, hi.
Then what is the use of Nano?
See, Nano, VA editor, all the same. Okay.
Okay.
It is another one. That's it. Just like you have Notepad and Notepad plus plus, right? Similar to that.
Okay.
Sublime editor, Visual Studio Code. There are so many text editors are there. It is from another organization. That's it. There is no
No.
difference. Okay.
Okay.
And now, if you wanted to delete some line, then what should I do? How to delete? Here there are some lines. So for deleting the line, let's say I wanted to delete this line. Okay. First, you should be in escape mode. First, click on escape, then come to this line. First, come to the beginning of this line. Come here. Okay. Then just double click DD. That's it. It will delete that entire line. If you want to click an entire line, then DD. Clear? And the next one is, let me show this. First, we'll complete this. Okay. Let me come to here. I am clicking on escape now. Okay. Now I wanted to delete this. Welcome to India. What I should do? I just double click. It is gone. Double click on DD. It is gone. DD again. It is gone. DD. Again. It is gone. Okay. Now if I wanted to copy this line, sir, this line, I'll say I wanted to copy welcome to India. What should I do? Come to beginning of this line. Just click on Y, then come down, then P, 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 P. Done. This is how you copy. This is how you delete. How to delete? I'll just say DD, 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 DD. It is gone. Okay. I think you guys are clear with this. Next. Okay. Next. We'll discuss about DD. What it will do? It will delete entire line. If you wanted to delete only one word from this line, then I'll use DW. Okay. And let me show this. I don't want it to see. There is a line known as welcome to India. Now, if I just double click on DD, what it will do? It will delete the entire line. Now I don't want to do it. What I wanted to do? I wanted to delete only this welcome, only the first word. Then I can just click on DW. That's it. Now, if I again just click on DW, in 2 is deleted. If I just again click on DW, India is deleted. Yeah, guys, that is how you will delete a line. That is how you will delete a word. Okay. I hope everybody is clear. And
Hello,
yes, please.
sir. If I want to delete entire content, so what should I do?
Yeah. I'll come to that. Just give me a second. Okay. See, if you want to undo this, that is, have deleting this entire line. How will I delete entire this line? DB. Entire line is deleted. If I wanted to undo this, what I should do? There is a keyword known as U. If you just click on U, the content will come back. Okay. U is for U is to undo. Okay. If I just click on DW, it will just delete a one word. And if you wanted to undo that operation, just click on U. Clear? U is for performing undo operation. DW is to delete single word. Delete the word. Okay. Now, for your question, sir. See, I wanted to delete the entire content here. Then what I can do is, you must be in escape mode first, then click on DW. L. Escape. It is not working. D, capital L. Okay, let me show you this. Okay, now my cursor position is here, right? If I just click on small letter D and capital letter L, see, it is deleting. If you observe, from starting position to here, it is deleted. D, capital L. I again click on small d and capital L, it is gone. Clear? This is how you will delete the entire content from starting from your cursor position to end of that paragraph. Okay. Now, if I want to undo that, I'm just clicking on U, and let us do all these operations first. First, let me repeat. Let me close this. It is a small Q, sir. The capital letter Q doesn't work. Let me create another file, file3.txt. Okay. Just click on enter. Now you are here. Just click on I, get into insert mode, then write some content. Welcome India, from Bangalore, Mysore, Delhi, some content, sir, Mumbai. I'm adding some content. Now, see, I just wanted to show you this. Okay. Just if you wanted to save this, just click on WQ. First click on escape. Now I am into insert mode. Just click on escape, then colon WQ and exclamatory symbol. What it will do? It will write and exit. Just click on enter. Just confirm file3.txt. This is the content we have just now added to that file. Just clearing the screen. Next, vi file3.txt. Okay. Now I am into escape mode. First, whatever the things we discussed, I wanted to copy. How will you copy? Just come to that line, double click on Y, come down, just P, Y, then P. That is what we call it as a yonking. That is the first thing we discussed. What is the second thing we discussed? If I wanted to delete a particular line, let's say I wanted to delete this line. How will I do? First, you should be in escape mode. Click on escape, then D. It is deleted. Now, if I wanted to delete this Delhi, okay, first you should be into this line, then D. It is being deleted. Here, if I want to undo this operation, just click on U. All the deleted items will come back. Okay. That is how you'll delete the entire line. If I wanted to just delete one word, let me add some content. Mysore is the heritage city. I'm just adding some content here. Without saving. Now I'm into escape mode. If I just wanted to delete just a Mysore here, what I can do? First come to beginning of that letter, then click on D, W. Only that word is deleted. If I just wanted to delete heritage, just click on D, W. Clear? I hope everybody is clear with this. And if you wanted to delete something starting from here to ending, then what I can do? I can use small letter D and capital letter L. undo the operation. If I start from this point, Mumbai, then it will delete till city. All this content is deleted. Now B, capital L, see, it is gone. Okay, undo U. These are the basics of your VA editor, sir. Do you have any doubts? Hello?
No,
No.
sir.
Okay. Please practice once, it's easy, just the commands, that's it. I think everybody is clear. Let us go to next one. Just give me a second, guys. Okay. Next operation has same thing. Now see here, there are how many number of lines of code is present here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here there are only 10 lines of code, so that we can able to count them, right? What if there are multiple lines of code? How will you count it? It's not possible, right? Then what you can do is just click on escape colon. You should write set here. If you can able to see, I'm writing here set nu. If you just write it, will give you a number of lines. Okay, it will set numbers to each and every line. Either you can write set nu or you can write it as set number. That is also fine, or nu. Both are fine, both are same. Okay, if you wanted to undo, you don't want to set a number to this line, then what you can do, just click on escape colon set no nu. No nu. Then that is gone. This is how you set a number to each and every line. Okay, just set nu. I'm setting a number. This is clear. And next thing what you can do is, I wanted to search for let's say heritage. I wanted to search, let me copy this line. I want to copy this line. What should I do? Yonking, yeah. Then what you can do is colon front slash or backslash. This one, I don't know, sir. This is backslash, right?
Yeah, backwards, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So colon backslash, then write down whichever. It is similar to your notepad, sir. Let me show this. Here, if you wanted to find some particular word, what you will do? Control F, then welcome, right? This is what you are doing. Same operation we are performing in your VA editor. That's it. Nothing, no changes here. For that, you just need to write this. First, you need to write colon backslash, then whatever the word you want to search. See, the moment I click on enter, it is showing heritage. If you wanted to go to next position, then click on N. See, can you see this green color pop up here, guys? Right? I think everybody can able to see this. Now, if I wanted to search Mysore in this particular sheet, how can I do it? Just click on colon backslash Mysore for a particular string, right? Just click on enter, then N, now go to next item, N. Wherever I have Mysore, there it will show. Clear? Guys, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Next one. First, what we discussed is set nu. It will set number to each and every line. Next, what we discussed? Next, we discussed searching for a particular, what is that? Particular string, particular word. I'll call it as India. Okay. If I just click on enter, it shows, okay, this is the India here. Apart from that, nowhere we have India. That's it, done. Now, same.
If the word is not present, what
See,
was
it will not work. Yes, yes, yes. See, I'll just say some random thing. What I'll say, Sachin. See,
okay?
anywhere it is present, no, pattern is not found.
Okay.
Yes, sir? Yeah.
Yes.
Now, I wanted to search for a particular pattern and I wanted to replace it. If you just want to search, just write down colon and India just for searching. Now my requirement is I wanted to search and at the same time I wanted to replace. This is kind of find and replace operation in your this one. Where can we see that find and replace?
Excel.
Okay.
In Excel, we can see that.
Yeah. Here it's not possible. Huh?
Control H.
Control H. Okay. Find and replace. I'm just replacing with some name Sachin. Okay. It will replace to all the positions wherever there is a name welcome. Right? Same thing here, sir. First, I need to search for a particular word. Now I want to search for a particular word as India. India is repeated only one time in this particular file, correct? First, what I should do for find and replace operation, first write down the colon, then backslash, then front slash, then whatever the word you wanted to write, let's say India, correct? Then just click on enter. Oh, sorry. I missed it. Backslash, front slash. Oh, I'm still into this one now. Okay. Sorry. Find and replace. First colon percentage. Yes. Yes is nothing but a string. Okay. Yes. Backslash. Whatever the string that you wanted to search, I wanted to search India. And what I wanted to replace, I wanted to replace it with USA. Okay. That is what I wanted to do. Just see the moment I click on enter, it is changed to USA. Okay. First, what we did, we just did just a searching operation, correct? Wherever there is a particular match for our query, it is just displaying. Now what I am doing, I am just replacing it, finding and replacing operation, both at the same time. For that, first write down percentage, yes, backslash, then your whatever the thing that you wanted to replace, USA, and I wanted to replace with India again. See, it is being replaced. Here, please learn this, sir. Okay, it is very useful because whenever if you're working in an organization with respect to organization level, there are some log files that you can able to see or that you will be working on. Okay, at that time, see here you are just having a 20 lines of some text, but in real time you'll be having 1,000 lines or 10,000 lines of logs getting generated each and every day. So at that time you cannot just go and read each and every line, right? You just need to have that command to replace. See, now I wanted to replace Mysore. If this is being repeated for 10,000 times, how will you do it? Just write down the command. Just what is that? Percentage yes, colon. I wanted to replace Mysore with some name. Just tell me another name, Gujarat or something. Okay. See, it is being repeated for these many times. The moment I click on enter, see, all those things are replaced. This is how you do it. If you wanted to change find, identify and change that particular string, then you are going to use this find and replace operation. Fine. And let us, guys, understood this? If there are no questions,
No.
hello,
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
all are clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
One
sir.
example of
Sachin,
site number.
Sorry. Hello.
Sir, can you explain the site number once again?
Site number, huh?
Site number. We have to just that
Okay,
explain.
okay, okay. See. First, click on escape. Then write colon. Set. If you just write set no num, no nu, then see the numbers whichever for each and every line is got deleted. If I just write colon set nu, what it will do? It will gives you or set number to each and every line 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Clear?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Yeah. Okay. Let us move to another part here. Just wanted to add some content. Let me delete some content here. Escape. How to delete
Sachin,
particular
to
line?
search only,
Yeah.
Sachin, so to search, we need to use a colon backslash, right?
Yes. Only for searching. See colon backslash and what is that? Delhi. DLHI. Okay. Just to search. See, you are
Okay.
here. If you wanted to search and replace, find and replace, then percentage yes slash what is that I wanted to replace Delhi, then with some another name, some random name, then see is being replaced. Okay, this is first
Yeah.
Delhi is your what is that what I can call I don't know what to call it. I hope everybody understood this. Okay, next is let me add some content to it. Let me delete this first. Write down Windows, Linux, Windows. See what I have done? I have added some content to it with different content. All or with, see here, all with capital letters, all with capital letters, all are in small letters, all small letters, all small letters. Here, all are capital letters. Here, only the first letter is capital one and remaining all are small. Again, same. Okay, just save this content or just leave it like that. Now, my requirement is I wanted to replace all the things wherever I see Windows. Wherever there is a Windows, I wanted to replace with Linux. That is my requirement. How will you do? Anybody?
Ampersand, yes.
Percentage, yes, slash
Yes. Slash
Windows,
Windows slash
slash
Linux.
Linux. Correct?
Yeah.
Please observe here. The moment I click on enter, what happened? Only here, only at the first position, it is replacing. Correct? It is not replacing at here. It is not replacing here. Why? Because see, whatever the pattern that I am writing, all are in small letters. So it will replace only that pattern which is in small letters, not to other patterns. which is in capital letter or capital combination of capital letter and small letter. Okay, now how to do this? See, let me undo this. Three values we are having: Windows in capital letters, Windows in small letters, and another one is combination of capital letter and small letter. Now I wanted to replace all these things at the same time, irrespective of their alphabetical order or capital letters or small letters. For that, percentage yes, colon, just write down Windows. Okay, I wanted to replace with all with let's say I'll say Android. Okay, see, if I just do this, what it will do? It will replace only at this position, not to capital letter Windows or combination of Windows. For doing that, I should add some option known as G and I. Small letter G and I. G stands for globally. That is, wherever you see Windows word, you replace it. I stands for case insensitive. Case insensitive in the sense, irrespective of their, whether they are capital letters or whether they are small letters, it doesn't matter. You replace all the patterns. That is what I am saying. Same syntax, I'm just adding two other options. GI. G stands for globally, I stand for case insensitive. Here, the moment, please observe here, the moment I click on enter, see, wherever I had Windows, irrespective of their alphabets, it is been replaced. Correct? Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now,
So by default, this Linux is case sensitive.
yes. By default, it's a case sensitive.
Okay.
Yeah, let me show you this also, sir. Just let me open Git bash, another Git bash here. See, if I'm writing small ls, it gives me whatever the files or content present in my particular directory. If I write capital ls, again it gives me this same content. But what is the difference? Sometimes it will work, sometimes it doesn't work. So always prefer to use small case ls or small letters. Always fix in your mind small letters only. Okay, that is the only thing. And let us come back here. Now please tell me, sir, I'll just ask anyone here. Oh, sorry. Who is that? Apuja, please tell me. I wanted to replace Linux at all the positions. What can I do here?
Linux.
Yeah. Linux at 14th line, 6th line, and 2nd line. Hello?
I don't.
Yeah, no problem. It's fine, man. Rohit?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, Sachin, replacing it with what?
Linux with, let's say, same Windows.
It is colon percentage yes.
Percentages, yes, correct.
Slash Linux
Slash Linux,
slash Windows.
slash Windows, that's it.
Yeah, enter.
See, if you just do this only at this position, only here, it will replace, but not at
Yeah.
this position, but not at this position.
We have
This
to add
globally
GI.
I, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Irrespective of globally, in the sense, wherever you find the word Linux, replace all at all positions. I means case insensitive, whether it is capital letter or small letter or it is a combination of letters, it doesn't matter. You just replace it. That is the meaning of it. Clear? And see, this is what we did today. And what is the time? Okay, we almost took 1 hour for EBI. Okay, see, now, I hope everybody understood this. Any doubts here?
Sachin.
Yeah, please tell me.
How to replace only first two and
Yeah. That is what I'm coming. Just wait for a few seconds. Yeah? Okay. See, now, if I just write percentage, yes, it is replacing all the things. Let's say now I wanted to replace only the first line. Only first line. Okay. Then you can write it as 1 yes colon. What is the next thing? Android. Android, Android, then with another word Linux, okay, then GI, same thing. See, it is replacing only at the first position. Okay, now if I wanted to replace only the 10th line, then please tell me. Then yes, slash Mac OS with what is that? With Linux slash GI. See, it is replacing only 10th line. It is not replacing any other lines here. Clear? Now, my requirement is, this is the assignment for you guys. What you should do is, from here, starting from 4th line, I wanted to replace all other lines till the end. See, if you have, we have a, let me see this, Linux, Windows, Mac. Okay. See, starting from 8th line, we have in 8th line, we have Mac OS. 16th line, we have Mac OS. So I need to replace only these two. If you're having some other Mac at 5th position, let me copy this. See, here I'm having a Mac. I don't want to replace this. I wanted to replace only 9th position and 17th position. Okay. Understood this? Guys?
Yes.
So this is the assignment for you. You should work on it. I'll ask you tomorrow. Fine. I think everybody is clear with VA editor. Do you want me to repeat? First, what you should do, let me quickly recap what we discussed till now. Just close this. If you wanted to come out, just click on Q. Okay. VI file.txt. First, you are going to create a file. Then click on I, insert mode. Then write down some content. Okay. Now click on escape. If you wanted to copy a particular line, then just double click on YY, just come down or click on PPP. This is how you copy. If you wanted to delete a particular line, then just click on DD. Now, if I wanted to delete a particular word, DW. Correct? And now, if I wanted to set a number to this, just set NU. Will set a number to your lines. If you wanted to search for a particular pattern, colon, then there is no particular pattern. No? DDSCA, DHJ. You see, it will search for the particular pattern. Now, if you wanted to find and replace, that is search and replace a particular pattern, you just need to write percentage yes colon pattern 1 and your pattern, replacing pattern. This is what we discussed, right, sir? I think you guys are clear with this. Hello?
Yes.
Yes, Sachin, we understood.
Yeah. So let me come back. Escape. Now, if you are understanding the VA editor, it is well and good, sir. That's it, nothing else. See, there are so many options available in VA editor. If you know only these things, tomorrow I'll add some options to it. I'll add some shortcuts to your VA editor, not now. Just practice this with the VA editor and don't just dig into, because there are so many options available in VA editor that you cannot remember. Only these things you will be using in day in and day out whenever you're working. So that's why. And next we have a command known as head. What it will do is, let me create one file, cat, what is that file name? Some add dot txt. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Just adding some content, random content here. Okay, to come out, just click on Control D. Now the file is created. Now, if you want to view this file, what is the command? Cat add dot txt. Correct? It will display all the content which is present in your, see, whatever the content which is present in your particular file. Okay. Now, there is a command known as head. Head add dot txt file name. What it will do, just see. Just click on enter. See, it will by default, what it will do, it will display only 10 lines, top 10 lines from your add text file. That is the default behavior of head. What head will do, sir? It is used to display the content from your file. Okay, and that too only top 10 lines of your file. That's it. Now if I just cat that file, add.txt, see, this is the entire content available. If I just use a head command, it is displaying only 10 lines. Okay, top 10 lines. These are the top 10 lines in my file, correct? And hello, are you guys there?
Yeah.
Okay. So next is, first we discussed about head. What it will do, it will display by default, it will display top 10 lines. And now if I wanted to display some 20 lines, you can just write it as 20 and file name. Just top 20 lines. Then it will display, sorry, okay. Head, let's clear this. Head -n. How many number of lines you wanted to display? N stand for number of lines. I wanted to display 15 lines. If you're not providing this option, by default 10 lines. If you want some customized options, -n 15 and add.txt. Now it will display 15 lines of top 15 lines from your file. Here. And now there is another command known as tail. Tail, what is head? What it is doing, sir? It was displaying top 10 lines. Just exactly opposite. It will display bottom 10 lines. That's it. Add.txt. It is displaying bottom 10 lines. What head will do? Head will display top 10 lines and tail will display bottom 10 lines. That is the difference. And if you wanted to, by default 10 lines, if you wanted to display some customized number of lines, -n, I'll say 15, then add.txt. And what it will do, it will display top 15 lines from the bottom. It will display. Okay. See, clear guys, with head and tail, how to use these options? Guys, are you there? Sleeping?
Yeah, got it.
Harish, Jeevan, Krupal. Nagarjun, Pradnya, Roseline, Mary, Rohit, Satish, Soumya, Suma. Are you guys there?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Jaipal Reddy, you raised your hand. No? Hello? Okay. See, this is what we discussed, head and tail. There are some other commands. What is the time? Yeah, we have a time, no issues. Simple commands. First one is DU. DU stands for disk usage. Let me, DU stands for disk usage. Okay, what do you mean by disk usage, sir? Let me show you this. Let me write down. See, now there is a command known as disk usage. It stands for disk usage. What this command will do, let's say if there is I am having one movie, sir, Avengers. What is the storage of it? It is like, let's say it is a 2 GB. Same thing. Now if I wanted to know how much memory that Avenger movie is consuming, then what I can do, disk usage Avengers, that's it. It gives you the total memory consumed by your particular file or directory. It gives you total memory consumed by your particular file or directory. That is what the use of disk usage. Okay, now let's see that. Du, any files we have here? Okay, add.txt. Du add.txt. If I just hit enter, see, it is using 1. What is 1? I don't know, right? If I just du, I'll say file1.txt. I don't know what are these numbers. See, 10, 0, right? For that, what you can do is just to same thing, du hyphen sh. If you just add these two options or flags, then file, let's say add dot txt. Now let us see du hyphen sh add dot txt. What it is doing, see, it is consuming 1 KB of memory from your hard disk. Here it was not in human readable format. It is just giving you numbers. But here if you add these two options, hyphen S stands for summarize. Hyphen H stands for human readable format. Okay. Disk usage hyphen S stands for summarize. H stands for human readable format. Human readable format in the sense KB, MB, GB, all these things. Your add.txt file is taking 1 KB of storage from your hard disk. That is what the information is given by du command. Clear? I think you guys are clear. It's easy. Next, if I just write du hyphen sh and star. Star, from now on, please remember star in the sense all, everything. Whatever the things which are present in your particular folder or directory, it will give you all the details. Let's see du disk usage in summarizing and human readable format for which file? for all the files. Star in the sense all. It is giving you the information regarding all the files which are present. Here, next command is du. Next one is df. What is that df? Let me show this. See, du disk usage. Okay, df is disk free. I think you can able to read this now. If I just write df and -h in the sense, it is in human readable format. It just gives you, see, how much memory is being used, what is the total size. See, there is a drive known as C drive. What is the total size of that drive, how much is used and how much is available. And there is another drive known as X. What is the total size of it, how much is used and how much is available. Similar to these details. See, it is, see, 157 GB and 302 GB, 158 and 303. It will increase 1 GB. Don't worry about that. Okay, it gives you information about what is the total size of your hard disk, how much is used and how much is available. If you compare with the du, what du will do, du will provide you information about a particular files and directories. What is the storage, what is the capacity used by particular files and directories. Clear? What df will do, df will give you the information of how much storage is used, how much storage is available in your system or in your hard disk. That is the difference between du and df. Any doubts, guys? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sachin,
Yeah.
if the memory is in KB, so then it will be displayed 412 like that. If it is in MB and all, it will be
Yeah,
displayed in.
it will display in yum. The first
Okay.
letter is yum. Okay. Yeah. So next last command, free -g. Or no command not found. Let me see. Did I logged in? See, some commands I told you, right, will not work in your git bash. So that's why I logged into one of the server. Free -g. See what it is doing? Yes.
It is displaying free memory available.
Yeah. What is that? See, let me show you this. Du, it will display disk usage file by files and directories, correct? Disk free, it will display total memory used and available. Okay, what free -g will do, it will show you available or used and available RAM. Okay, that is the major difference. Disk usage, it will display all the details, what is the storage used by particular movie or a particular file, that details. Df, available and used detail of your hard disk. Okay, free, available and used by your RAM. Clear? This is for hard disk, this is for RAM. I think you guys are clear with this. See here, all are 0 because I'm not using that server. It is completely free now. So that's why it is showing it as a 0000, all things. Okay. These are the major commands available. Du, df and free -g. Clear, guys? And
Yes.
one last command, we have something called as word count. What it will do, sir? The name itself says it will count number of lines present in your particular file, number of words present in your file, or number of characters present in your particular file. That is what it will do, sir. Let's execute this. WC. Let me clear this. Word count. WC stands for word count. Then -L. L stands for number of lines present in my particular file. Add.txt. This is my file name. Okay. See, there are total 25 lines present in my add.txt. It will just count how many lines are present in my particular file. That's it. Nothing much here. Okay. What is the second option? Word count. Now I wanted to see how many words are present, or how many, how many words are there. W-W add dot txt. Okay, now what it will do, sir? Again 25 line, only 25. Yeah, just cat add dot txt. That file is okay. All the same single words. Let me add something for this. add.txt. English. I just added some content to it. Just save it. How to save? Click on escape, WQ. Now let us see word count -L add.txt. What it will do? It will count number of lines. Correct? Word count -W count -W add.txt. WC. See, there are 32 words present. How many lines are present? 30 words. Now I wanted to count how many characters are present. Okay. See, what is the shortcut for character? -C. See, if you're thinking, L stands for lines, that is fine. W stands for words, that is also exactly correct. But if you're thinking -C stands for number of characters, number of alphabets, that is not the thing. -C stands for how much memory is consumed by each and every word. If you cat this file, cat add.txt. Okay, what -L will do? -L will give number of lines. There are 30 lines. What -W will do? It will count number of words present. How many number of words present in your particular file? What what is that? -C will do? It will just calculate how much ever memory is consumed by each and every character. How much memory is consumed by M? How much memory is consumed by W? That is what it will do. Okay. Word count -L. Sorry, what is that? -C add.txt. Yes, 113 bytes. And word count. Now lines. For lines, sorry, for number of words, -M, number of characters, add.txt. Same, almost 113, 113. There is no difference. For number of lines, word count -L add.txt. Correct? For counting number of words, -L, WC -W add.txt. Correct? Word count -M, first -C, then add.txt. txt. What it will do, it will give you number of bytes consumed by each and every character. And word count -m add dot txt. It will count number of characters present in that particular file. Both are almost same. I think everybody is clear, right? Guys, any doubts?
So what is M stands for?
Sorry?
WC hyphen M.
Hyphen M. Hyphen M stands for, I think,
Like it will be show the results of memory consumed by words or?
see, it shows you -c stands for,
Characters.
see, I don't know. No, it is not a character. It is something else. I forgot actually. What it will do, it will shows you the memory consumed by each and every character. How much ever memory is consumed by A alphabet, how much ever memory is consumed by B alphabet. That is what it will do. What
And
hyphen M will do, it will display number of characters in your particular file. Almost it will remain same in most of the cases, but there are some different options. I just wanted to show you, that's it. And one more thing, guys, there are so many options available just similar to this: -L, -W, -C, -M. If you keep looking for a full form, what is -M, -C, -W, you will never remember. Even if you remember, you will get confused. Just directly use them. Okay, not only for word count, for all other commands. Do not try to remember these options, because there are thousands of options available or flags available. So that's why. Okay, I think clear. So that's it from my end for today. Any questions, guys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so I just wanted to show you some shortcuts here. I just, let me write mkdir. Let's say I wanted to see create some abc, bca, and some command. See, now if I wanted to delete this, how will you delete, sir? You just keep on clicking on this backspace button, right? If I just click on this backspace, it will work. And now I don't want to do it. mkdir, and let's say abc, bca, something. Now I'll come to that. See, my cursor position is at the end. Can you see this blinking in green color? Correct. Now, if you wanted to go to beginning of this particular line, the shortcut is Control A. It will directly come to beginning of your line. Okay. Now, if you wanted to go to end of that line, just click on Control E. Control A to come to beginning of the line. Control E to come to end of the line. Here, and if I wanted to delete this particular line, okay, just Control K. First come to beginning of the line, then click on Control K. That's it. Okay. Just writing down. I'll just show you. Wait. Control Y. See, if you wanted to come to beginning of the line, Control A. If you want to come to end of the line, Control E. Okay. If you wanted to delete this particular command, then Control K. First, so while deleting, first come to beginning of the line by using the shortcut Control A, then Control K. Okay. As you already know, if you wanted to copy paste, Control Y. Okay. And if you want to clear the screen, Control L. It's why it's not working. You already know, right? Control L. It's not working. I don't know why. Control L is to clear your screen. These are the shortcuts available for easy access. You can just learn it. Okay. So that's it from my end for today. And see, There are only few people are joining to the sessions. As I know, almost 50 people are there in the group, but only 30 are joining, or mostly. Okay. But now, after the first mock session, you'll not be having this freedom of joining at anytime, whenever you want, however you want, you are behaving. I know what is happening. So after first mock session, I know for almost 20 people are remote from the group. I know that. Okay. If you wanted to learn the things in real time and get placed in a good organization with good salary packages, then please attend the sessions. Take it seriously. And if you're not interested, sir, I don't want to say you anything. Okay, it's your option. All are here for to learn and get a good salary packages. That is the major agenda here. And if you're not attending the classes, I am not bothered. You want and you wanted to get placed, right? So please be attentive. Please attend. If you're not able to attend the sessions, please let us know. Just take 1 or 2 days, complete all those things. Okay. Do not sleep in the class in between the classes. At least bear some time for at least for 3 to 4 months, so that if you're just spending this 3 to 4 months of time, you'll get some good money. That is the major agenda, I know. Right? So that's it from my end. Any questions, guys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Then see you. Bye.